Hey everybody, how's it going? Dave here. I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to challenge myself and see how fast I can make a 25-30 second TikTok, social media, IG reel video. Now the scenario is you're a videographer and you've been hired for an event. Traditionally, what would happen is you take that footage home, you edit it, and then you submit a video in that week, a few days later, maybe weeks later, if you're working with an agency. Challenge is to take that footage and have something to give to your client, airdrop it to their phone, and guaranteed your clients are like, what? You made something so fast? Like, the response has always been positive for me. And I've done this. It's not theory, I've actually done this. The one issue you can bump into is that the client turns around and says, hey, why is the final video taking so long when I had something to show for from the night? Then you can turn around and say that there was some purposeful shot lists and pre-editing involved for that video because you thought it would be valuable for them to have something to show for from that event. And hopefully they understand. I'm gonna be cheating a bit. I'm gonna be using templates. I'm gonna be using templates I've created. I'm gonna have available to you guys. I'll have links available to all the Envato Elements assets I'm gonna be using. And the cool thing is, Envato that are sponsoring this video are offering a 7-day free trial, which is ridiculous. So you can get all this stuff and use in your actual videos. The main reason we're doing this is, yes, to be quick, but also to fight option paralysis. That's the inability to make a decision when presented with a wide range of choices. Sound familiar? That's why my food goes cold every time I turn on Netflix. And as good as Envato Elements is with all those great assets, sometimes we get a foggy brain. So hopefully with having some templates in place, you get those creative juices going. The footage I'm going to be using was filmed on a Blackmagic 6K Pro. Some of my really close friends from Australia were touring Europe, so I got to film them, and definitely check them out. They're called Greatest Hits. If you just like talented people and good music, definitely check them out. But I'm gonna put myself on time crunch and see how fast I can make a video for them to post on social media, airdrop it onto my phone, and maybe upload it to Dropbox for you Android users. So that's the challenge. Let's go. Let's see what can be done. So here we go. We're in Premiere Pro. We've got template 1, template 2, template 3. I'm gonna go with template 2. It's got more of a kind of grainy VHS thing going on. And what you'll see here is it looks a bit odd because all this stuff, I've changed the blending modes on it. So we've got some transitions here, and then we've got some nesting done here with some sound effects. And yeah, we're just gonna put the footage in and hopefully it makes sense. Let's set the timer and see how fast we can do this. I've got all the footage here. The cool thing with Premiere is you can view it in list view or icon view. So I'm gonna go really quick, and I can't remember what I filmed, so I'm gonna go through these and quickly preview them. So right here, let's see what we like from this piece of footage. So I'm gonna set my in, out. Oh, that's cool. And I'm just gonna use this side right here as a dumping ground. All right, let's see what other footage we've got. I'm gonna press the tilde key to just resize that. And because all this is 6K, I can just punt in as much as I want. On a previous video, we went through some tips in Premiere Pro on how to select clips and just pop them in your timeline straight away. So this is cool. This was filmed in 50 frames per second for some slow-mo. Gosh, this is hectic with a timer. Herman, I don't know how you do it, bro. This is bonkers. Ooh, lights, sparkling lights. I mean, if you just on the event, you've got a better idea of what the footage looks like as well. There's a video on the channel on how to make some interesting transitions, which involves screenshots and whatnot. So some of those might come in handy if you've got time. And it's all a workflow thing. All right, let's see what we can do with this footage. And we might need some more. I'm gonna press Option and select the audio and delete the audio. Up in there. Let's see what we got. Obviously, we're gonna have to chop some stuff and move the transitions around. Some of these glitch transitions. I'll just position everything as I would, taking where the actual transitions are and just kind of take it from there. I'm just going by eye now. So I've nested this sequence here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this part right here. That's a good shot, I think. And what I've done is it's a little slideshow with a sound effect. And then I've got some more here. This is more for like landscape shots, so I think the shots where you can actually see the crowd, they're actually quite nice being in landscape. And we've got a little texture overlay there, roughly around there. It's quite nice, so I'll just keep that there. That's that one. And what you get here is this kind of like triple view. Looks cool on social media. I've seen a few people do it. And let's reframe this bad boy here. Some sweet slow-mo there. Change the frame in this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy that, take it to this nest here. So this one's got like an analog overlay. So that's quite cool. Now I'm gonna export this bad boy. And what I found, best export settings, 8.265 will match the frame. Video wise, I'm gonna go into more and probably take this down to like maybe 20 for social media, and then export that bad boy. We're at 13 minutes exporting. Come on. As you can see, I just chop stuff up, put it in really quick. I'm just assuming you don't have time to go through all your footage, but as I said before, when you film it right there and then, you kind of have it fresh in your mind of what was filmed. My aim was to get a video done in like maybe 20 minutes. So I think we're good for time. Let's find where the video is stored. AirDrop it to my phone. Great. 15 minutes and 5 seconds. And I've had it on my phone, and let's go from my phone. I'll upload it to Dropbox. Assuming you don't have Wi-Fi access on your computer, just use your data on your phone. So I'm just gonna upload the file. The file is only like 45 megabytes. So file is uploaded. Stop. 16 minutes and 13 seconds. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there are going to be faster than me, maybe a bit pickier here and there, but in theory this works. And I mean, if it's something for your client to upload right there and then on social media, personally I think it's perfectly acceptable, the result we've got today. So right here I'm just going to play the 3 different templates I've got available for you guys to download. As I said, project file is free to download. I've tried to keep everything organized. You've got all your assets, you'll have links to all these elements. The only thing I've made are these CRT shapes that you're more than welcome to use and just do whatever you need with them. But everything else is from Envato Elements. Yeah, go get it. Download it. Go forth and create. If you like this video, drop a like. It really helps the channel. If you want to check me out personally, Dave the Greco is my IG handle. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell. We drop videos all the time. The guys on the team are so talented. I learn from them all the time. Till next time, take care of yourselves. See you in a bit. Peace. Bye-bye.